Hello children, how are you doing today? You're welcome to my class and I am Mrs. Essie Lawal. Today in our numeracy class, we are going to explore an interesting topic, capacity. But before we do that, let's quickly look at last week's topic. Do you remember square root? Square root is the opposite of a square. Remember we said that square root simply asks, what can I multiply by itself to give me this? Now take a look at this example to refresh your memory. What is square root of 36? What this simply means is, what can I multiply by itself to give us 36? The answer is 6 times 6, 36. That is, the square root of 36 is 6. You remember, don't you? Okay, today's topic, what is capacity? Capacity is a measure of how much space something takes up. Capacity is saying how much a container can hold. We have different instruments for measuring. Your measuring spoon, measuring jug, and a barrel. A barrel is like a drum. Do you have one at home? Units of capacity. There are two metric units of capacity. The litre, which is written as L, and milliliter, which is written as ml. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliter. Liters. 1 liter is the capacity of a large carton of milk, like your Hollandia yogurt, or even your Chi exotic juice. That's 1 liter. Oh, this now I know now. Good. There are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. 1 liter is also equal to 1,000 milliliters. Liter, remember, is written as L, and milliliter is written as ml. Don't forget this. A milliliter is about a drop. Could be a drop of water or a drop of syrup. You know what a syrup is? A liquid. Just like your vitamin C syrup or even your vanilla flavor. There are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. Drop by drop, altogether 1,000 milliliters, 1,000 of them in 1 liter, meaning 1,000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Fun with liters. Take a look at this jug. It is 1 liter. That is 1,000 milliliter. Now, when this jug is divided into when it's divided into 2 equal half, that is 500 milliliters. When you further divide it into 4 places, each part will be 250 milliliters. It's simply dividing 1,000 into 4 places. When you divide 1,000 into 4 places, each part is 250. 250 plus 250 will give you 500. Another 250 plus 250 will give you 500. And altogether, 500 plus 500 will give you 1,000. So whenever you are asked, how many milliliters make half a liter? You simply say 500 milliliters. And how many milliliters make 1/4 liter? You simply say 250 milliliters. Interesting, isn't it? I'm enjoying this topic. Okay, let's look at this jug again. It is filled with liquid. Could be juice, could be any other type of liquid. Now they wrote 1 liter at the top. Can we count the lines from the bottom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. And the top line, that's the first line from the top, is written 1 liter. So which means each line is 200 milliliters. 200 in 5 places will give us 1,000. Now from the bottom of this jug to the first line below at the bottom is 200 milliliters. From that first line under to the second one is another 200 milliliters, making it 400 milliliters. Now the third line from the bottom, from the second line from the bottom to the third line from the bottom, you have another what? 200 milliliters. And that is how you keep counting till you get to what? 1 liter. So when we add 200 plus 200 plus 200 plus 200 plus 200, it will give us 1,000. And 1,000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. I hope I am making sense. Of course, I know. Now, back to metric units for capacity. We are going to be looking at conversions. How do we convert from milliliters to liters and from liters to milliliters? Just before we do that, let's take a look at our left-hand side. We have the milliliter, which is ml, give rise to what? Liter, L. And bigger liter is called kiloliter. But our emphasis, we are concerned about milliliter and liter in this class. Conversions. 1,000 milliliter is equal to what? 1 liter. And just for your knowing, 1,000 liters is equal to 1 kiloliter. But we are concentrating on milliliter and liter. Now let's look at this arrow below. You see milliliter written by your left hand side and liters by your right hand side. Can you see the arrows? I want you to look at it carefully. Do not turn to your right or left, just look at it. Full concentration, class. Are we together? Okay. Now when you look at the arrow coming from liter, that is the arrow coming from the right hand side and going towards the left hand side, which is your milliliter, at the top is written times 1,000. That means when you want to convert liter to what? Milliliters, you simply multiply by 1,000, no matter the figure. Now, if you look at the arrow below, look at the arrow that is coming from your left hand side and going towards your what? Right hand side. Can you look at it very well? Can you see it? Watch. It is coming from milliliter and going to what? Liter. Below is written divided by 1,000. That's the sign of division. Am I right? Up is what? The sign of multiplication. And below is the sign of what? Division. Now, division is sharing. Good. Now, milliliters, when you are converting from milliliter to liter, you divide by 1,000. Now, I want you to say along with me. In converting from liter to milliliter, you multiply by 1,000. I take that again. In converting from liter to milliliter, you multiply by 1,000. And in converting from milliliter to liter, you divide by 1,000. It's not confusing. You're going to understand better. Let's look at this example. Conversions. To convert liters into milliliters, we multiply the given number of liters by 1,000. Now this example says, convert 4 liter into milliliter. 4 liters into milliliters. 4 liter into milliliters. Now, I want you to listen carefully. Remember, 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So, 4 liters will be what? 4 times 1,000 milliliter. And 4 times 1,000 is what? 4,000 milliliters. You don't need this to start counting your fingers. 4 times 1 is what? 4. Then pull down your 30 at the back of the 4. That gives us our answer. Very simple and very interesting, isn't it? Now, your capacity home activity is on the assignment section in our portal. You're going to find it very interesting, and I know you will have fun doing it. Till I come your way again, I want you to stay safe, stay home, keep studying, and don't forget to be good. Bye.